Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a piston cylinder device holding gas. The mass of the piston is 70 kilograms. The cross-sectional area is 0.05 meters squared. The local atmospheric pressure is 0.98 bar. And we got gravity at 9.81 meters per second squared. Find the internal pressure of the piston. And for part B, if heat is added to the gas, causing its volume to double, would you anticipate a change in the pressure inside the cylinder? Why or why not? So here is the diagram. And from this diagram, you draw your free body diagram for step 1. So draw your FBD. So we're taking the, cross section of the piston. So note that the orange is this. I just flipped the colors. Okay. So we've got our reaction forces and we've got our opposing pressures. Okay, step 2. List all the givens and unknown, what you're trying to find. So everything's given in the question. So we've got our mass, area, atmospheric pressure. We're trying to find the internal pressure. Step 3, find the formula for internal pressure. So we start off with this one. P multiplied by A is equal to PATM multiplied by A plus weight. So from there, we divide area by both sides. So that makes P the subject, P being the internal pressure. So this A is cancelled out and this A is cancelled out. So when you divide area on this side, it cancels out because A divided by A becomes 1. And then same on this side. But we also gain an area for the weight. We expanded the weight to mass times gravity. Okay, so step 4, find the internal pressure using the formula that we derived. So we're just going to plug and play for part A. So 0.98 bar plus 70 kilograms multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared divided by 0.05 meters squared multiplied by your conversion factors. So we want this to be in bar for the units. So we've got 1 Newton divided by 1 kilogram meters per second squared multiplied by 1 bar is equal to 10 to the power of 5 newtons divided by meters squared. So that will cancel out all the units and you're left with 1 bar. So the pressure is 1.12 bar for the internal pressure. So that's for part A. For part B, the volume will not change based on the free body diagram drawing in part A. Therefore, the pressure inside the cylinder will remain the same. Okay, so coming back to the diagram and your free body diagram. So when the volume expands, it doesn't affect the pressure of the piston, as you can see. So from your drawn FBD, you can see that there is no volume acting on it. So yes, there is an expansion and you would think the expansion is gonna push the piston up. However, this is not a free piston. This is a piston that is actively pushing down on the volume of gas. So the volume of gas doesn't have enough, reaction force to push the piston, so it won't actually affect the piston. Okay, so that's what they're saying. It won't have any effect on the piston. Okay, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. Alright, you can do this by using the snipping tool. If you've never used it before, you can follow the instructions below. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So click on your snipping tool icon on your taskbar. If it's not there, type it in the Windows search. Okay, so once you've got your snipping tool open, click on the video option icon. Click on New. Left click and drag on the rectangle. So drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Click the start button, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button, let the video finish, and then hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. Leave a comment below if you got questions, or if you found a mistake, or any other comments. If you want to support me, you can become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.